Greetings and welcome to another video, how to manifest a text from your recipe, step by step with Neville's methods. In this video I'm going to show an easy step-by-step procedure on how to manifest a text or a DM from your specific person. The procedure involves only 5 steps and is based on Neville Goddard'S techniques, and for me it has been proven as a guaranteed success method. After the steps I'm going to give you some tips, so stay tuned until the end. And of course, if you enjoy this kind of content, you can always subscribe. Now, for the first step, set your intention. I intend for Lucas to text me that he misses me. I intend for Kate to call me and tell me that she is sorry. Try to be specific. The more specific you are, the better. If you're not specific enough, you may get a text or contact but with negative results. And now for the second step, we have SATS, the state akin to sleep. Try SATS visualization before falling asleep, or try visualizing throughout the day. You don't have to fall asleep after the visualization, just try to visualize with deep emotion. If you don't know how to do the SATS visualization, pause this video and go watch my other video on how to do SATS step by step. Also, if you cannot visualize in general, please pause this video and go watch my step-by-step visualization guide for people that cannot visualize. For the third step we have Isn't This Wonderful? Use Neville's Isn't It Wonderful technique along with the SATS visualization. Isn't it wonderful that Lucas calls me? I am so thankful that Kate decided to forgive me. Both are great techniques for manifesting a text. If you have problems visualizing, this technique is very successful. Don't forget to stay tuned for the end of the video because I am going to give you some extra tips on visualization so you can be successful. Now, for the fourth step, we have living in the end. Now, pay close attention, this is very important. Feel strongly as if you have received the text you desire from your special person. You have to really feel it without doubt and desperation. Desperation and doubt indicate a state of lack, and lack brings the opposite results. Just feel as if your specific person has contacted you the way you want them to. I will give some tips a bit later. And now for the fifth step, the most important step, you have to let it go. Expect it, but don't obsess over it. Have the confidence that it is coming and continue with your life. Don't obsess over it because it is already yours. Now I will give you some tips and tricks about visualization and emotion, so pay close attention. Don't stay glued over the phone. Major mistake. You will not only be disappointed, but also by staying glued over the phone means that you don't trust yourself as a creator. Just expect that you will listen to the sound of a notification and the name of the person you desire will pop up. Expect the message, but do not obsess over it, and don't be desperate. Have trust, faith and confidence in your power as a creator. Most of the times the manifestation happens out of the blue, when you kind of forget about it and go on with your life. So be sure to practice self-love and watch your mental diet and focus on the things that you love. Now, when it comes to visualization, be sure to visualize the message or call, etc. popping up with the name of your recipe. Imagine vividly the notification with your recipe's name. Imagine so vividly that you can actually almost listen to the sound of the notification popping up. Imagine the exact phrase you wish to receive. Once again, you have to be very specific or the outcome may not be what you expected. Anyhow, you don't necessarily have to concentrate so much on the text messages. Try watching this video that will explain everything.